What's up, YouTube? I haven't dropped a crypto video in about a week, but this is going to be episode 4. And most of my moves I've been already buying it before 2025 started. But I'm just going to speak on some needle moving because we're going big this year. It ain't none of that petty. I ain't going to say what I was doing was petty, but now I see what can make an impact on my portfolios even more. So the first one I'm going to name, it's not going to be in any order because I've been buying past every day since the year started. So that's work. I sold some of my Dogecoin literally last night in profit because I got in at 12 cents. It says my dollar cost average is 12 cents. So I got in a little earlier than that, but the dollar cost average was 12 cents. I traded some of that profit for Litecoin. I wanted Litecoin when it was $70 because I could just see it moving. And I'm seeing people are trading it. Now banks are about to start using Litecoin. When I heard international banks last night are using Litecoin and there's still possibilities of an ETF. Yeah. And I got it at 100 now. So what you think the projection, it was like 110 last night. Like what? What you think the projection is going to be? And I know I said I wasn't going to worry about meme coins. I sold some of my meme coin technically, but I see you can make the profits and get into some other coins. I like it now. I sold ICP. I have finally been figuring out, was I going to hold ICP for future? Even though I could still get back into ICP. It's a possibility, but right now it's not. I traded ICP for Solana. I staked my crypto. So any other stock I've been buying lately in this past week or two, because of the year just starting, yeah, Solano's on the list. We've added that in there now. And I'm staking it. So it made my passive income even better now because I'm staking crypto. So that just added in. ICP wasn't a staking, So that helped with the cash flow of my portfolio. So that's a plus for this week. Cardano was my sleeper. I remember when I got in crypto a couple years ago, man, don't mess with Cardano. It's cool. You can either listen to these people or take your own risk. That's what you need to know. So now I got in Cardano. My dollar cost average before it went up now was 40-something cents. Now the cost of a Cardano is like $1.06, But all this week I had been buying Cardano before it went back up to the $1.06. I'm talking about in the 85 through 95 cents, I was buying. I'm like, let's load up. I'm staking the crypto anyway. Let's increase more cash flow for the month. That's how I was looking at it. I'm not going to go too hard on y'all with Cardano. Y'all just know that's going to be like a daily or weekly buy from here on out right now. For right now. I'm only speaking for the moment, so y'all got to know. Shit can change. XRP. I haven't bought any XRP. I had to look last night. I can remember off the top. I haven't bought any XRP since November. And that was November when it took off. My dollar cost average for that is 56 cents. I'm going to buy some more XRP. If it can go under $2, I'm in. If I just got to work with what we got right now, that's why I'm not going to speak too much on it. I'm just going to work with the pricing it is at. I'm not going to yap y'all to death. I'll just say a couple that I'm staking, literally 3 cryptos that I'm staking, and they're just going to be in my portfolio for a long time. Avalanche. I think Avalanche and my XRP is the ones they're not going too far back. I bought Avalanche this week, technically. I bought that. I haven't bought XRP, though. I haven't bought Tezos this week. Tezos probably going to get bought in the next 2 days, some more of that. And I've been buying Polygon. And Polygon prices at like 52 cents. I've been waiting for more pullbacks at a 40 cents. And it has the ability to get to $1 to $2 still. And I'm staking it. So I just increased my cash flow all this week. I even bought more Polkadot. And Polkadot was like one of my first cryptos I got into. So I'm like, why is that $7? It could get to $9. If you know, you know. But I'm staking it. 6% staking. Solana is 6%. Avalanche is like 65%. Tezos is 5%. Polygon is 2%. And Cardano is 2%. So I've been buying all week and going to buy some more on this Sunday. More staking, more capital gains. Only one I didn't mention that I'm probably going to buy today is AI Fetch. Because I think it can't have the ability to get to $6. I've seen it get to $3. So let's keep working. And it's AI. Appreciate y'all for coming in on this episode. Subscribe, like it. I'm going to drop more like this. You know how I'm making my money. This is not what these other people are doing. I'm finding new cryptos too. So be ready.